Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm showing all the footages that I took during a rainy day at the Hidden Falls Adventure Park at Marble Falls. So yes, I previously been to this park before and it was in a sunny day. This time we went, it's during a rain season, and that's why my friends and I decided going there. And I don't know, we got lucky or it's unfortunate. It was raining that day. From experience, last time we came here when it's all sunny compared to this time during a rainy day, I say the level of each trails, it got harder than the actual rating, especially during the rainy day. It's slipping and the tire doesn't have like really good grip on the road. And another difference is last time I went to this park, I was running a Milestar Milestar mud terrain tires. But this time, as you can probably see in the footage, I switched it to the all terrain tires because I've been running on the highway, running on the paved road a little more than off-roading, so I decided to save my MPGs a little bit, and plus it's really comfortable with the 80 tires on while driving on the highway. Of course, you can see later in the video I was slipping on the trails. I actually slipped a lot, and to make a comparison, I will also put some sunny day video footage in there as well to compare it to you guys and then show you guys what I meant for the level of the trail was increased, or it got harder during a rainy day. Honestly, everything was wet and it got water on it. I couldn't grip that damn thing. However, I say driving in such a raining day or bad weather, whatever you call it, it's pretty fun. I don't have the experience with mudding a lot, but I was able to drive on the mud when it's raining. It gets really wet, and we actually came because it's like been raining for a couple days, so you can see the visible water on the ground. Of course, I ran through all the ditch with the water in there, and it's pretty fun. And get dirty, get muddy. It's a pretty good experience I had there during a rainy day. It's more fun than the actual sunny day there, but also it could be more dangerous or it could be harder. Now I'm done with my narrating. Please enjoy the whole video while you're watching it. Please enjoy this. I'll talk to you at the end.
that's about it about this whole video. And again, this is only a short video that shows you how a rainy day at Hidden Falls Adventure Park is like, and it's really slippery and it's a lot of mud and a lot of water. It's fun. Trust me, if you ever go there on a rainy day, it is fun. Alright, and hope you enjoyed my video. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd like to see you again in my next video. Thank you.